Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Launcher Microsoft Store. Let's get started. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to the search bar where it says search apps, games, movies, and more. And you're going to search up Minecraft Launcher. And as you can see here, it says Minecraft Launcher and it is completely free. So we're going to select that. So then you can just read all of this if you want to. Here you can access Minecraft Java Edition, Minecraft for Windows, aka Bedrock, Minecraft Dungeons, Minecraft Legends, special events like the annual Minecraft live event. So what you want to do now is click on this button which says Get. Now it says Minecraft Launcher install size is 10,1 megabytes. You're almost ready to play. To play games on your PC, we need to install some gaming components. You only need to do this once. So you're just going to allow that and you're going to click on download. So next thing that you want to do is open up the Xbox app and just wait for it to update. So you're going to sign in and then we're going to continue from there. So what you'll notice is that after the Minecraft launcher is done downloading, if you open up the Xbox app and if you go to My Library, you're going to see that the Minecraft launcher will be visible here. But for me, it's not visible because it is still downloading. But once it's done downloading, you'll see it here. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.